Hi, this is coding class with Mr. Han again, and I'm with my student,
Tanay.
Tanay. Okay, well, we have lots of videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. We all know what you look like. You're
Yeah.
having a bad hair day today, Tanay?
Nope. I just don't like to put my video on.
That's fine. We have everyone, it's already there.
For some reason,
Okay, so when you're ready, I want you to start, open up a trinket. Share you made a snowman, share that with us, okay?
Okay. Here. Screen. Share. Here it is.
Okay, that looks like dirty gray snowman.
Dirty what?
Dirty snow snowman.
Well, like I was too lazy to
We
put
need
it
to
in black
change
background.
the background. I'm gonna work on that. I haven't set that up. I'm gonna create a function. I'm gonna create a function that will let you change the background color of the screen. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Okay. That's great. Use a circle and you made a little nose. Oh yeah.
My mom helped me, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. I mean, it's great. I think it's most parents won't be able to do that because most parents don't know how to code. But I think it's great that, something that you and your mom can do
Can you help
together.
me with the positioning of the third circle?
Okay. Like I said, if you get some graph paper, I will help. The graph paper will help to get you a better idea of where the coordinates are.
I know.
But if you just spend time with the move to and drawing things, that will also help you. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a test.
Oh no.
Okay.
Not a test. I love
Not a
tests.
test. Not a test. I'll give you. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Let's
Can it
do
be
this.
easy?
Well, you tell me if it's easy or not, right? Okay, this is relatively simple. Okay, gonna give you 3 minutes. Gonna give you 3 minutes to make. First, why don't you just delete all that stuff because it's gonna get in your way. Why don't you delete all the code? Just delete the snowman code. No, 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 no. Just delete the snowman code. No, no, no,
I'm
no,
not
no.
gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Just delete the snowman code. No, you don't want to delete the snowman code?
No.
Then comment it out. Comment it out. No, no,
I
no.
could
But
just
you
do
don't
it.
have the code. But you don't have the code for to all the code that I have. Where are you gonna get it? Why don't you just copy the code? Copy the snowman code into the new trinket, and just delete. Just copy the code from 64 up. Everything from 64 up.
What's this? No.
Where's the new trinket?
I wanted to
Did you
make
make a new one? Yeah, call it
snowman.
No, no, it's not going to be a snowman. It's going to be something else. Call it Pictionary. Call it Pictionary 000.
How do you spell Pictionary?
CTION. TION.
I can't hear you. After PIC, what is it?
TION.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
It's glitching.
Up,
After
up,
PIC, what's the next number?
TION. ARY.
Wait, Master Han, I can't hear you.
It's in the chat. Look in the chat.
Okay.
I typed it in the chat. No.
Okay.
Chat.
Thank you.
Can you hear me? Tanay, can you hear me?
Hi, Master Han. Master
Tanay,
Han.
copy the code into the new trinket.
Okay, go over here. Oh no, wait. More trinkets. Oh no, this is quiz card. Before down, I copy it.
Can you hear me? Just copy everything. Just copy everything in and just delete. Just copy all the code, delete it into the new trinket, and then copy it into the new trinket, and just just copy just copy everything.
Okay.
Control C, copy everything.
This,
Just copy
Control
everything.
A,
Right, just copy everything
and go here.
and just paste it into the just copy.
Then Control
E. I don't know. You didn't copy everything. Try again.
Yeah, I did.
No, I don't know what you did. Control C. Control C.
C. Control
B. Okay.
Did we get everything?
Okay. Delete all your snowman. Delete all your snowman stuff.
Okay, go here.
No. Don't select everything. No. Where you delete? No. Just close it. Don't save it. Just close it. No. Just close it on the top where the X is. Yeah, just close it. Okay, go back to your new trinket.
I saved it into here, and then I thought we were in the other dictionary one. We were gonna do the code.
Okay, so go down. Yeah, so all the snowman code, just no. So all the snowman code, just get rid of all your snowman code.
What do I do with that?
Not that. Line 66. Line 66. That's your snowman code.
Well, where do I put it then?
No, just delete it. You already saved the code. You already have your old code. This is different.
No, I don't have the old code.
Yeah, you saved it. You already have it. This is a new file. This is a new trinket.
No, I didn't. Something happened, and then it.
No.
Then it all
This is a new file.
Master Han, you're glitching out, and I can't hear anything you say. You're all glitched.
Okay, I'll put in the chat. Go to the chat.
Okay.
Now copy the code. Now to copy the code into there.
The snowman code?
Yeah, no, just copy everything. Just copy everything.
Control A. Control C. Control V. Save.
Save, save.
Then go here. Should I delete all this?
No, 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 just leave it alone. Just leave it
Okay.
alone. Just leave it alone. Just go to test. Just work with test.
Okay. Now what?
Delete line 66 down.
Delete line 66 down.
Yeah, don't delete the high turtle. Is there anything below that?
Yeah,
Okay.
there's still line 60.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
fine. That's
line
fine.
66 is still there.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. No, 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 no. Put some white space. Put some white space in there. Okay. Okay, so I want you to draw. No, 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 no. You don't have to go that much.
I'll only take 100 white space.
No, 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 no. Are you reading what I'm typing in the chat?
Okay, type in the chat. Okay, go here. Work with the test string. Get delete 66 time. Don't.
Can you hear me? You can still hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do that, okay?
3 minutes?
Yeah, 3
That's
minutes.
not nice.
Just hurry up. We don't have all day. I'm already running out of time.
Master Han,
Yes?
can I delete it all and restart it?
Restart what?
Actually, never mind.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you're going to get 3 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's going to be two 90-minute sound clips, okay? Okay, get ready. First 90 seconds and then another 90 seconds. Are you starting? And hey, you're supposed to use the functions. I gave you functions, remember? And hey, you have a square function you can use. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? I think I lost you. You're frozen. Tanay, are you there? Oops, I think I lost you. Tanay, are you there?
Yeah,
Okay, something happened. Tanay, you have a square function. I gave you a square function, don't you remember?
I did. You did?
Yeah, there's a square function.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the code. Don't you see there's a square function?
Ah. But what do I do with the start function?
Tanay, we went over this already though. You don't remember?
I don't think we did go over what we used.
I'm sure I did. Okay, let's
I don't
stop the
think so.
share, Tanay. Stop the share.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I don't remember.
Okay, I've updated the square functions. So I have all these default settings. You see that? Can you see my screen? Tanay, can you see my screen? Okay, so if you want, you can just draw a square without any arguments.
I just need to.
But the problem is, it's only going to draw one kind of square. It's only going to draw a square that it's only going to draw a square in the center, near the center, and it's going to be black. This is the only thing. See that?
Color.
Well, that's the problem. Well, if you want to do that, then you have to give it all the different. Then you have to give it all the different arguments. So you have to tell it the name of the pen. Okay, so then that's AD, and then you have to tell it how big how thick you want the pen to draw. Okay, pen width. Then you have to tell it how big you want the square to be. Let's say 200 pixels. And then you have to tell it the color. Let's say red. Okay? So the square function has 1, 2, 3, 4 parameters. Okay? So when you call the function, you have to give it 4 arguments. Okay?
Okay.
What's the name of the function?
Oh, Master Han.
Yes.
Everything was zoomed in.
Okay, 1 second.
Wait. Oh,
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Is that any better?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So what's the name of the line 93? What's the name of the function?
The name of the function is square.
Okay. How many arguments are there?
How many arguments are there in square? A lot.
Okay. How many arguments are there?
A lot.
Count. How many arguments are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. No, that's rectangle.
Oh, no, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4. Okay. So you have to tell it the name of the pen. That's AD, pen or turtle. The thickness of the square, the pen, how big you want the square to be, and the color. Okay. So you see that? That was too big. That was too big.
Oh my God, that is so.
Okay.
Wow, what's that black one over
I'm
there?
gonna move it. I'm gonna move it.
Wow.
Gonna
What's
move it.
that black one over there? Wow. What's that black one over there? Wow. What's that black one over there? Wow. What's that black one over there?
So the
Wow.
rectangle function. How many arguments are there for the rectangle function?
How many arguments are there for the? Wow. What's that black one over? Rectangle function.
How many arguments are there?
5. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right, 6. Okay, so with that, so with the rectangle, you tell it again the name of the turtle or pen, the pen width, how thick you want the pen to draw, how so this 150 is the length of the rectangle, and then the width of the rectangle, then the color of the rectangle. And true means that the
That it's
rectangle will
standing
stand up. And then if you want it to lie down, you make it false.
False.
Okay. So I have a red square that's 100 pixels. Okay.
Oh my God, it's so fat.
Now the triangle with the triangle again, it's the name of the turtle or pen, and then the thickness, the length of the triangle, the sides, and then the color. Okay. And I'll make this one green. So there's. So we have a red square, a black rectangle that's standing up, a purple rectangle that's lying down, and a green triangle. Okay. Okay, so Tanay, I want you to make, so you use the move to move the pen, and square to draw the, use square to draw squares. Okay, so I want you to start sharing. So I want you to make four squares or blocks on top of each other, 4 different colors. Okay? When you're ready,
Okay.
I want you to start sharing, okay?
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have Addie do the same thing, and let's see who can do it faster, okay? You ready?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, you don't need that forward. Tanay, you don't need that forward anymore. You're gonna use the square function. Tanay, I just showed you how to use the square function. No,
Huh?
what are you doing this? You're gonna use the square function. I just showed you. There's a square function. Tanay, that's move 2. Okay.
Master Hunter, can't hear you.
Tanay, you don't have to hear me. You just need to start coding. You're running out of time, Tanay. Come on.
Oh no.
I don't know. What are you doing today?
Something happened.
I don't know what you're doing. Tanay, you're running out of time.
Oh, oh no.
Less than 42 minutes now. I mean, 42 seconds. 20 seconds. Six seconds, 5 seconds.
Master Han, can I have a little more time?
Tanay. Tanay, you're gonna need it. Tanay, you have to. I told you this. We're gonna be doing this, right? Not a surprise. Okay, Tanay. Let's practice. Tanay, stop the share.
Okay. Everything copies.
You can see. Can you see my screen? Tanay, you can. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you want to copy and paste, but first you want to actually fill in the parameters. Okay, the arguments. Okay. Okay. What you need to also keep in mind is I said the squares are going to be on top of each other. Okay. The way you coded it, you would be drawing it all in the same place. Hey, are you okay? Tanay, are you still there? Tanay, are you there?
No.
Tanay, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Please pay attention today. Look what I'm doing here, okay? So I have this okay, so I have this move to and square, right? So you would want to copy the move to and the square, okay? You see that? Danae, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have the move to and the square, right? So I have all the code. I just need to now just change the parameters, okay? But what's the problem if I don't change the arguments?
Then then you're only drawing really one square.
Right, one square. So what I would do is then I would just copy the code, right? Because you need all this code. And then I would start moving the squares around. So let's say I start at a negative 100, right? And I move this negative 50. And let's say I do 0, and then let's say positive 50, okay? Okay, I think I made the squares too big, so I'm gonna make the squares a little smaller.
Their color.
Because they're all, well, the color we can change later, but the squares are kind of like on top of each other. Let me do that. Nah, they're still all on top of each other. I need to move them apart. I'm gonna make them a little smooth. Does that look? How does that look? Today, how does that look? I'm sorry, what? How does that look?
I don't know.
But they're not on top of each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you would need to play with the move to position the squares so they're on top of each other. Okay. So with this, you would need to have a move to and a square. Okay. So I would make a move to and a square, and then start with that and just start copying them first. And then I could just change the arguments around. Renee, are you okay? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's do this. So for Thursday, I'll give you another chance and just practice making the squares and moving the squares around, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I want to share, if I can get this thing. How do I open? Okay, I guess I can't save it. Guess I can't save it. Guess not. Okay. Okay, Tanay, let's do a review, quick review. Okay. Today, what is a function?
A function is a block of code that does one job.
Okay, very good.
I did my review this morning.
Okay, good. Okay, can you give me an example of a function in the real world? How would you explain what a function is in the real world?
Driving.
How so? How so? How is
Well,
driving?
it's like a code, like it's kind of like a code because like you have to turn left, turn right,
Okay, okay,
like
or
like
that
turtle,
makes more sense.
like in
When you're
turtle.
driving a car, right? When you're driving a car, if you want to,
Like
if you
you're a
want to,
turtle and the code is left and right and stuff. You're a
right?
turtle.
If you want the car to turn, when you want the car to turn left and right, then you have to take the steering wheel. And well, you're not old enough to drive a real car, but you've played Mario Kart, right?
Yeah, I play it almost every day.
Okay, that might be a little bit too much, but okay. So in Mario Kart, when you want to turn right, then you have to turn the wheel right. Well, you press a button, right? What do you do? How do you play? You turn the controller, or do you press a button?
There's there's two ways to play. You can either turn the controller or you can use the toggle on the controller to
Okay,
choose. But
okay.
I prefer drifting.
So your controller, so you could say the controller, right? It has a motion detector and also has buttons, and it also has a joystick, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you could say that on your game controller, right? The buttons, the joystick, the motion sensor, you could say those are all functions, right? You do something, right? So when you move the joystick around, you're sending information to the game, right? And then the game, changes with whatever input you give into it, right?
Yep.
So when you drive a car, you could say the steering wheel is like a function, right? You tell it,
Yep.
you turn it, you're sending the car information,
Um,
how, what you want to do with the car. So
Master
anything,
Han,
I'm sorry?
while we're on the topic of Mario, you can also drive in Super Mario Odyssey. You can drive a scooter.
Oh, I don't know that one. Okay, drive a scooter. Okay. So functions, so functions uh is an example, also another example of abstraction, okay? Because when you're driving in Mario Kart or a real car, right? You don't really know how everything works inside, right? You just move the
Yeah, you just
controller,
like turn. You just turn this. You just turn the joystick,
right?
and
You don't
also
ha- you don't need to know anything else.
except how to drift, so you can come first place
Okay, okay,
all the time,
okay,
like me.
okay. You know how to do. Okay.
Like it's getting boring actually. And also, Master Han, you said you didn't know Super Mario Odyssey. How do you
I
not
don't.
know when it sold 2 million plus copies in the
Well,
first
not every.
three
Well,
days of release?
I don't have every game system. I don't have every game system today.
It's not a system; it's a game.
Okay. No, but you need a
No,
game console. But you need the system to play the game.
do you even wait? Do you have a gaming system? One? Do you have Do you have a gaming system? 'Cause
Well, I'm 50. I don't really play those games anymore. Okay. Okay.
Master Han.
How?
Or actually,
Yes.
never mind. I'll tell you when we're done recording. How do we define
Okay.
a function in Python?
How do we define a function in Python?
You use the def keyword to define a function in Python.
Okay, right? So you have to
Use
use the
def keyword to define a function in Python.
oops, that's not a question. Okay,
Oh,
right.
oh my
You okay today? Are you sick?
God. No, I just like making that noise.
Okay, how do we define how do we pass information to a function? What do we need to pass information to a function?
The def keyword.
No. How do we pass information to a function?
You call it.
Right, you do need to call it, right? But what do you use when you call it? Why don't you use the square function as an example? How do we pass information?
Arguments.
Right, you have to give it arguments, right? Okay. So if you have square, right? So what kind of arguments does square need to know to draw the square for you? You remember?
First, the turtle name.
Okay, the turtle name, and this example was AD, right?
The turtle name. The width of the turtle.
The pen width, right?
Pen width of the
Oops.
turtle.
Right, we need to give it the pen width. What's next?
How many pixels long is it?
Right, how big you want the square to be, right?
How big is it?
Right, let's say 100 pixels.
And also the color.
Right, the color. And the color, what kind of data type is the color?
A parameter?
Or what kind of data type is red?
A color data type?
No.
I don't know.
What is color?
You never taught me that.
No, we did. What is this? What is red? What kind of data type is it?
Oh, it's a string. It's a string.
It's a string, okay?
String.
So the pen width and the length of the side, they're integers. AD is the name of a variable, okay? Because that's the name of the pen or turtle that we made, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo.
Okay, how do we get a function to return a value or output? How do we get a function to return a value or output? What we need to do in the function what does a function need to return a value or an output?
What does a function need to return a value?
Right. How do you code a function in Python to return a value? Or we could call it output.
Keyword, return keyword,
Okay. So you need to
return keyword, return
use the
keyword.
right. You need to use the return keyword. Okay.
Keyword.
Okay. But we can also say that the Python function has to have a return statement. Okay.
Return statement.
Here, look here, right? So let's say I have a function called func1, right? And let's say I have a parameter name, okay? I'm going to have a return statement, okay?
Mr. Han, I need to go wash my hands.
Okay, go wash your hands. Are you back, Tanay?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to change it up. I'm going to change it up. So this is what I don't think I did this last. I don't think I did this last week. I don't think I did. Okay, so I have. Did we do the Keno game last week?
What Keno game?
Okay, so every class you will get one free coins raffle game. So you pick a number between 1 and 80. I'm sorry?
You mean the random.org thing? Yeah, we didn't do that
Well, I
last
made a
week.
program. Well, I made a program to do it. So pick a number between 1 and 80.
20.
20. Okay. So this program will randomly select 20 numbers, 20 winning numbers from 1 and 80. Okay. So if 20 appears in one of the 20 winning numbers, you win 50 coins.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your chances of winning is 1 in 4. So 25% of the time you win. 75% of the time you lose. So let's see. You said 20. What did you say? 25?
No, I said 20.
20. I'm sorry, 20. Okay. You see, I'm typing in the number, winning number. Let's see here. Sorry. It didn't show up. It didn't show up. You're a winner, but not today. Sorry. Oh.
You're mean.
I did. The computer did it.
It's your program.
What you want me to make the program so you win all the time?
Yeah.
Okay. Now every time you do well in Python Pictionary and Python Jeopardy, you get an extra game. Okay. When you complete, I'm sorry. So when you complete a badge, you get an extra game. Okay.
2 extra games if I complete a badge and one
And
extra game if I do
you're
good
kind of getting greedy.
in a
You're kind of
class.
getting greedy.
That's my
Okay.
problem.
Okay. Okay. So
Daddy should be coming in like 3 minutes.
yeah, I unlocked. Thank you. I remembered this time to unlock. Okay, so your functions badge, I changed it up. Okay, here. So your functions badge, once you complete it all, you'll get 250 experience points. You get 100 coins, and you'll get 4 coins raffle games, okay?
Ow.
Okay? So the thing you have to work on, A, B, and C, that's done. You got that. Oh, A, B, C, and D. Okay, A, B, C, and D. So we need to work on E. Tanay, are you listening to me? Tanay, are you
Do it
listening
on
to me?
E and
Okay, we
also
need to, so Thursday, I want to finish up E and also X's, so 3 and 4, okay?
E3 and 4.
So 3, you need to do 3 and 4 by yourself. You should be able to,
No.
listen to me.
No.
Tanay, listen to me. So you need to be able to code a function, okay, that will output a short greeting when you call the function. Your function should contain at least 2 lines of code in the block of code inside the function, okay? And you should call it 1 time, okay? Part 4, code a function that takes 1 argument and returns an answer, okay? So part 4, you need to have 1 return statement in your function. And then you want to call the function and output the answer, okay? If you don't understand what's going on, you need to rewatch my video. What is a function? Tanay, are you listening to me?
Yep.
Tanay, okay. So if we can finish that up this Thursday, then you get 250 XP, 100 coins, and you get to play 4 games of coin raffle. Okay. Tanay, are you listening to me?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording, and I will